The lock statement is used when you need to ensure that a shared resource, like a variable, is only accessed by a single thread at a time. So let's say a thread enters the lock. It is now free to access the variable. In this example, we're just incrementing its value by 1. If any other thread wants to enter the lock while the first thread is inside the lock, it will have to wait. That means a kind of a queue is formed here. And when a thread exits the lock scope, the lock opens up and a new thread can enter. This will make this function thread safe. Just make sure that every place this variable is being used, there is a lock. As you can see, we have used the object type as a lock, which is fine, but if you're using Net9 and C#13, you should be using the System Threading Lock class. This has been the lock statement in C#.